You've got 1 or 2 growth tools you reach for every single week, but they're buried in a grid with everything else, and refinding them every time gets old fast. With Vyroq's growth tools, favoriting fixes that for good. Open My Growth Tools and hover any card. Click the star icon to add to favorites. It's instant, no confirmation dialog, no extra click. Now look at the filter pills up top. A new favorites pill appears the moment you star your first tool. Click it and the grid narrows to just the tools you actually use, nothing else competing for attention. Changed your mind on one? Click the same star again for remove from favorites. And if you ever clear your whole list, Vyroq shows a friendly empty state. Tap the star on a tool to save it here, so you're never stuck wondering where they went. You can still search within your favorites too. The search box narrows whatever view is active, so favorites plus a keyword gets you to the exact tool in seconds. That's your personal shortlist, the tools that matter to you, one click away every time you log in. Start yours free at vyroq.com, no credit card, 14-day money-back guarantee.